are at a very new college. Oh, I forgot! By the way, I am Cian Adson Boy. I am a Marian student and I am at grade 5 grade. Today, I am riding a educational field trip and we are going to Manila. Welcome to Manila! This is our first destination in Manila. This is Fort Santiago. Fort Santiago is a historical landmark here in Philippines and the oldest fortification in Manila. Dr. Jose Rizal, our national hero, was imprisoned here before his execution in 1896. It's so nice to look back our history, especially for those Filipinos who gave their lives for the freedom of our country. That is Bahay Chinoy. It is a museum of Chinese in Philippine life. You can see how the Chinese influenced the Filipinos in different aspects of the Philippine life. Through statues and mannequins, dioramas, portrayings the events that shaped the Filipino-Chinese history with their cultures, working, and language. We also visited the Manila Cathedral. This church was dedicated to Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception and the oldest stone church in the Philippines is San Agustin Church. Our next destination is Art in Island. It is the biggest 3D museum in Asia. I was amazed to the illusion lights and enjoyed taking pictures in the 3D exhibits. This is the one of the most amazing place I've been visited. Lastly, my museum. This was my favorite we went so far. This museum reminds me about science. I amazed that I saw the real Tyrannosaurus Rex skeleton, the different shape of moon, the planets, all about space, and many more. I also enjoyed the dancing robots. They dance was great. I love them. And for our free time, we eat dinner in SM Mall of Asia. It is tiring day, but I'm happy because this is an extraordinary educational experience for me. I learned a lot and I also had fun together with my brother, my mom, and my classmates. I can't wait for our next field trip. That's all. Thank you for watching.